Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Amazon Prime Video Unavailable error fix. So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to go to primevideo.com and then you just need to clear your Amazon Prime Video cache. And to do so, just go to the main page, right click on it, go to and press inspect, and then expand this little menu here until you see application here. Press on that, then press storage, and then press clear site data. And then you need to refresh your page and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, you can basically need to disable plugins that you're running right now. So maybe you're running ad blocker or some sort of other plugins, and sometimes it can cause this problem basically by these plugins. And to disable plugins, you just need to press on three little dots or three little lines here on the top right corner. I'm using Brave, but on Chrome basically it's the same. And then you need to go to extensions and then just disable all the plugins or extensions that you're using here right now. And if the problem persists, then try to basically run Amazon Video Prime with another basically browser, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if you run with another browser and you have the same problem, then try to update your browser. And to do so, on the top right you should see three little lines, or on Chrome I believe it's three little dots, and then you need to go to settings and then scroll down until you see about Chrome or about Brave. And here you need to look if basically you have the latest version of your browser, and if you don't have it, then please update to the latest one and restart your browser. And you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, you can change your DNS addresses to Google. Right, so to do so, on the bottom right corner you should see a little network access here. So right click on it, go to network and internet settings, and here you need to go to advanced network settings, and on this window you need to go to more network adapter options. You need to press on that. Then on your basically network you need to right click, go to properties, and then you need to make sure that Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled. And then you need to go to Internet Protocol version 4 and then press use the following DNS server addresses. And on preferred DNS server you just need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4. right? And after that just save the changes, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, you can clear your DNS cache. And to do so, you need to open up command prompt or CMD, and then just when you got it here, you need to right click on it, go to and press on run as administrator, press yes, and then you need to basically put these commands. So first one, ipconfig renew here, then ipconfig flash DNS, nash int IPv4 reset, nash int IP6 reset, nash within HTTP reset proxy, and ipconfig slash register DNS. So you need to put all the commands one by one, and then you need to restart your computer and you need to look if the problem persists or not. But if you apply all these basically fixes and the problem persists, if you're using basically computer with Windows operating system, you can go to Microsoft Store, and you just need to write here Amazon Prime Video and get app on your computer. And if you got the app and if you're basically getting the same issue here, what you can do here, you can go to installed apps, and then you need to on search just write Amazon, and you will get a Prime Video for Windows here. Then press three little dots here, go to advanced options here, And then what you need to do here, you need to just press repair button and then reset, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. But probably you will solve the problem by applying all these basically fixes, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.